If someone tells you that you can make 6 figures passive income in an online business, run. The only people making money off of that are the ones selling false dreams. I'm Landria Onkka. I started an online business 6 years ago, but I got the proper training and got the skills that it took to be successful. That's what it takes to be a successful online entrepreneur. Whether you have no products or services, or you have an idea that you want to share with the world, or you have an existing business, this is the training for you. You'll have your own mentors and consultants, step-by-step modules, training, mentors, and an amazing community supporting you every step of the way. You will not be alone. And that's what it takes to be successful. The proper training, implementation, and the support. This is an education system unlike any other. It also has a step-by-step build a business from scratch platform for those of you who don't have your own businesses, and that's what you will learn. You don't have to be an entrepreneurial mindset. We have classes for that too. And you don't have to have tech experience. That's what you'll learn. This is for anybody willing to put the time and attention in, gain those skills and implement them in a way that can create success. We don't know what's going to happen out there. Instead of waiting for somebody to tell you what your financial future is, you can gain control over it now. But it's going to take some work, but you won't be alone. You don't have to wait years like going to college to learn new skills. You can do this in a few weeks and be up and running. Many of our students have changed their lives. I'm one of them. A best-selling, award-winning book, a television movie, 2 successful online businesses, and what I do for a living helps other people. I feel really good about what I offer the world. Our world's changing in positive ways, and you can be a part of that movement. Take control of your income, your financial future, your time freedom, and how you live your life. It's important more than ever right now. If you want that information, you can click somewhere here on the screen, learn more about it. I'll be over there to greet you, and I hope that you make up your own mind as to whether or not this is for you. But don't miss out on a great opportunity now, because in a few years you may look back and wish you'd have launched that online business like I did. Thanks for listening. Click somewhere here on the screen or below, and I'll see you on the other side of positive change.